This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, a bit planner, Kempower and bilkomponenter. Yo, what's up? We are now at the NIO service center in Ensjø, Oslo, and I just picked up Firefly. Yes, Firefly is finally here. So I'm going to be testing it until Friday. Actually, NIO is a bit flexible in it. We could borrow it even longer, but I have some other cars I need to test. But okay, you can come check it out. At any NIO places, also downtown in NIO House, they also have the Firefly available. You can go check it out, but you can also test drive it already. They have enough cars so you can test drive it. I asked them about that. You can make an appointment in the website, in the Firefly website, and you can check it out. So I already set it up now, the press car, and I'm gonna try it for the first time actually. And NIO, do they produce these, pre-produce them? They might do that. So if you order one, they might match your configuration because you only get 2 interior color and 5 exterior colors. So that means 10 possible permutations. So they can pre-produce them, and then, I don't know, you could maybe get a Firefly quickly, or I don't know, in 2 weeks or not too long, you can get a Firefly. So here we see it. The Firefly, if you haven't seen it before. So it has this bright interior. Wait, is this Google based? I think I saw Google there. It seems to be not. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is Google based. Well, okay, well, we need to disable all the annoying warnings. We just swipe down here and we have overspeed alert off, distraction warning off, drowsiness warning off, bam, bam, done. DON, okay. See, let me adjust here a little bit. First time driving. How is it over speed bumps? This is rear wheel drive, by the way. I set the regen to strong. Whoa! Wow! Wait a minute. It went over the speed bump more like a premium car. You know, more like the other NIOs. Or more like German cars. Here. Wow, the nose doesn't go up that much. Huh? Maybe this will be like a first impression of first time driving Firefly. So it is an affordable car, a city car. I think I should call them city cars. And for a city car that small, then I say it's very impressive. Oh, okay, it has a little lag. Maybe I should switch to sport mode. Let's go sport mode instead. Okay, there we go. Achtung, we have speed camera here. It has the autopilot also. I'm gonna test it. Yeah, sure. Yeah, same on the NIO. So if you use the NIO, then you know how to make it work. But yeah, okay. There are going to be some updates that fixes things, or improve things, or tune things. So the car I have now is not perfect, but the customer car that will be delivered in a couple of weeks now, in around 2 weeks, they will be better in the translation and in everything. But at least the driving part here should be the same, right? Okay, let me see. Yeah, when I floor it, there's still some delay, but still way better, yeah. Well, so far so good. My first impression is good. We just have to see eventually how it can handle it. 1,000 kilometer challenge, you know. And I'm not sure if I have time for Sunday drive, or if that makes any sense. Well, there are some bing bongs here. Maybe some of them can be turned off, but also some of these bing bongs will be removed in a future update. That's what NIO told me. So. Seems to be okay sound levels. Maybe the Gitti tires are quiet. Okay, try now. Set it to 90 on the cruise control. Just follow traffic. And you can change, by the way, if you want 1 click to increase by 5 or 1 click to increase by 1. And then press to hold to increase by 1 or press to hold to increase by 5. So not every car can do that, but the NIOs can already switch there, so that's very convenient. seems like it's doing an okay job. Even though I heard that this auto steer is not the final version, they're going to improve it. Supposedly it slows down. Oh, okay, gently turn. Okay, I didn't hold the steering wheel on purpose, but it will supposedly slow down in the curves. So they're going to tune that to become better. Well, we're back home and I've decided to do the ultimate test family run. Axel is ready, wife is ready. We're gonna pick up Isabel soon. And yes, here you see the setup. Cybex Anoris, no, this is Cybex Sirona T for Axel is ready. And then in the trunk, we have Cybex e-Gazelle S. It fits here. We will also go grocery shopping. So we will have to, yeah, there's space for stuff from Remen 1000. I'm now topping up quickly. And then back here, Cybex Anoris T2. Well, okay, you know what? Maybe I'll move this. You see that this bag, wait, maybe if I move it over there instead. Well, no, it's actually more convenient to have it here. Maybe I'll put it the other side in case wifey wants to go further back. So I'll put this behind myself. All right, we pick up Isabel. So you see, let me see. Can you kick it? Yeah, can you kick mommy? You can. You can. You can. Okay, so that's the leg room for Isabel. Let's check here. Well, she's only 151 centimeters or something, so she actually has plenty of headroom. Sorry, leg room. And then Axel is in the back here, and well, I mean, he has plenty of space anyway. So yeah, okay. Anyway, now we go to Jessheim Storsenter, or I have to check where the first stop is. We have a few errands we have to run. One thing I'm missing here, but they'll probably implement it later, is that we don't see percent state of charge here. You can go here, for example, and then just go to energy, and you see it here, 35%. I got the car with a little bit low juice. Yeah, Captain Sabeltann is mandatory, but we have Spotify in the car, but in order to use it, you have to be connected to Wi-Fi. So I now have the mobile phone tethered, and then it works. I mean, there is 4G here, but I guess they just don't want to spend too much data, and they probably prioritize the 4G for maps and other things. So yeah, this is what you get when you go for the not so premium expensive cars, right? But I mean, it works fine, no problem with the Wi-Fi. Right, we have now the shopping mall parking thingy, and here is kind of tight. But with a small, nimble car, no problem. But this car does not have 360 camera, so you don't see the front part, but it has some indication. Oh, okay, I went a bit over there. Some indication of how it is. So, all right. And next, we're to test self-parking. Okay, let me see. I want to park on that spot. Enable the self-parking. Slot found, huh? Keep vehicle stationary. Hey, what do you mean slot found? Stop. Find the whole grip head. Select slot. Which slot? I can't see no slot. What? This is strange. Camera view. Okay, this is the first time I try it. Where is the slot? Huh? So, okay, now it's searching again. Oh, okay, can you find it though? Strange. It's back there. Seems like it didn't find it, so it's not as good as the Neo car, seems like. So let's try to do another sweep. It found it earlier, but I just couldn't figure out how to use it. And as always, real men, they don't read the manual. Searching slot. Dude, it's right there. Shit. Okay, maybe I'll try some other day then. Okay, let's park manually. All right, all good. This is the stroller we use nowadays. It's a double-decker, very convenient, and it folds to not take up too much space in the trunk. So yeah, I mean, for local driving, you don't really need a big family car. I can understand if you want to go, well, if you have an overnight drive, then we suddenly have to bring clothes and stuff and other things, and then yeah, we need more space. But maybe we should do that as a challenge. Okay, 1 or 2 nights at Airbnb without worms or maggots to see if the Firefly can do it. Well, dinner for today, we have some burger and some sandwich. Yeah, club sandwich. Yeah, and with fries. Well, all good. We're gonna go home soon. We did buy some stuff, but not that much. It's in here, and I can show you. It will fit in the humongous front. I don't remember exactly. It was around 90 liters. I think it might fit 1, maybe even 2 banana boxes. It's freaking humongous. Wow, it's class leading. No other car that is this small has that big front. Okay, anyway, let's go home. Well, now we're home charging. 10.5 kilowatt. Yeah, okay, it's 11 kilowatt AC 3-phase. Yeah. Wait, this is strange. We don't see percent solar charge there. We see it only here. Well, it would be great to gather information one place. Whatever. All good. But there you guys have it. Neo Firefly. So it's a small, affordable car, but despite the small size, it actually rides really well. I'm surprised we went over speed bumps and how it drives in general. The feel of the steering wheel, the feel, the noise when it just cruises or goes over bumps, you know. I get the feeling that the Neo DNA is in here. And Neo cars, if you guys know them, they also feel nice and premium, more like German cars. And when it comes to space, you see that we actually have space for some double-decker cars, baby stroller, and the car seat actually fit with adult, well, Asian adult in the front, and we even have space in the front we haven't utilized that much. So my first impression of the Firefly is that it is actually a very good car. It's like a city car, but eventually I need to test 1,000 kilometer noise acceleration test, also see how efficient it is in the range test, try to measure the battery capacity and find out more, and also see how fast it charges. Okay, I know already, based on what I've seen, that it doesn't charge as fast as the ID3, but how about Inster or some of the other? Well, yeah, Citroën, EC3. Well, we'll find out. Anyway, I think that's gonna be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.